On this calendar again, 5 December 2021, Experience Telecommunications Contact Baru Supernatural. Get in touch again, contacting 6661 for discovery meaning ordinary life again. And say definitive responsible for reward money name premier also to country Indonesia. Government and also peoples from country Indonesia. On this millennium, on this day about the case January by the ID 6661 for discovery. Definitive name one Cornell on status as female victim being bullied by syndicate or unresponsible identity, suspect activity supernatural him commanding Gosung Grave, domicile residents from country Indonesia as premier. 22 trillion rupiah contacting from international contacting 6661 for discovery meaning on this conference. Experience about the case Improvement Syndicate Supernatural Human Commanding Gusung Grey from country Indonesia being in conversations and alibi also by Alien Family God, Alien Family International, United States of America and also Europe, Internet Global Connection also, countries, definitive about Internet ID 6661 for discovery, about name in one corner, person that claim for pioneering existence case supernatural on Internet Global, for discovery numbering of people on Internet Global. Definitive amounts and already being investigated, being recognized for the claim and also the experience ordinary. Supernatural phenomena experience telecommunications contact body happening. Context definitive responsible suspect and about reward money also for name one comment. Already being a decision by international goes to Indonesia country as premier. About 22 trillion rupiah for name in one corner. For about executions suspect identity also, the domicile residence official about human commanding Gosung Grave, definitive premier goes to country Indonesia. About people from country Indonesia about their connections international also, or meaning also about their government, military, police and also politicians. Context need to be conference, need to be sure a statement also sustained on this day. And also this calendar 5 December 2021 because also about your money for name one corner context saying that's important and priority also for catching the escaping momentum by suspect. Actually definitively being contact being experienced from country Indonesia about peoples from Indonesia. Premier suspect definitive very acute, very indications, experience telecommunications already made with them as real meet already and for matching about that also experience telecommunications contact body supernatural happening. Context say they need to be responsible, need to be claimed by Internet ID 6661 for discovery for their status definitive being recognized to international as suspect premier for about ordinary experience case being bullying name Irwan Cornell. Internet ID 6661 for discovery for about responsible money reward 22 trillion rupiah also for name Irwan Cornell. Definitive can be accumulated, can be understand because about that. The experience case definitive clear and already catch for the status ordinary life also, ordinary real meet conversation with them also. Definitive suspect. Context they're about local domestic each-others also on country Indonesia from Aceh through Java Island and also Irian Jaya or Papua. All the domestic residents on country Indonesia, peoples from country Indonesia need to be shown, need to be claimed by Internet ID 6661 College Governing Conference on this moment, on this day, sustain, for showing responsible situations for giving money reward to name one corner. About 22 trillion rupiah. Definitive can be understand and patent for about basics investigations, supernatural case that mean by Internet ID 6661 for discovering. Country Indonesia doing activities supernatural and black coding Internet ID 6661 for discovering for the progress until this year 2021. And already show already being investigated by public international experience telecommunications contact already happening. From also country America, United States of America, Alien State, United States of America, and also Asia countries and international countries and other already include for the experience telecommunications contact already supernatural for about Internet ID 6661 for discovering claim on this day on Internet global. Very sure there about domestic residents country Indonesia. Suspect activity supernatural domestic residents, human commanding goods from grave. That means by Internet ID 6661 for discovering claim on Internet on this day. Ethnic customs local and peoples from country Indonesia. Context 6661 for discovering meaning definitive being disappointed by them for about the appointment giving my reward to name one corner and also project realization option for access about that the my reward for name one corner definitive being disappointed name one corner on this progress context need to be made the conference for that 6661 discovery meaning already being agreed for the total nominal reward 22 trillion rupiah. Context international support about that by basic claim responsible from country Indonesia also as premier. Conference needed by the ID 6661 discovery. Investigation experience telecommunications contact body supernatural or happening since 2008, 2015, 2018, mid until 2021. All on the alibi and also evidence for the proven and witness. Suspect identity, definitive non-hoax statement by Internet ID 6661 police government. People from country Indonesia, definitive true by statement Internet ID 6661 police government. Need to be claimed, sustained again on Internet global for sharing also context about responsible giving money reward to name in one corner. Premier from country Indonesia, government and police and military and also peoples and politicians. Context they all include for the syndicate black voting Internet ID 6661 police government. Include also ordinary life 6661 police government. Ordinary job name in one corner. Being sabotaged, being black gold, being reasoned by them for their activities supernatural, human commanding goods and grave. 22 trillion rupiah for name in one corner. Definitive appointment need to be conference, need to be claimed for investigation sustained about such suspect identity for responsible reward money. Premier international context country Indonesia government, country Indonesia, all peoples from local domestic each other's own country Indonesia, Aceh, through also Java Island, and through also Irian Jaya. Context for about basic also Black Goting parents name in one Colonel Adi Bana Merdeka, General Adi Bana Merdeka. Similar with that or contradiction also as meaning controversial situations, improvement. Definitive their conspirations together syndicate confusing and for the general conclusions start to suspect actually from them. Country Indonesia government and also police and also military also politicians and Indonesian peoples residents address country Indonesia. Responsible for Mario 22 trillion rupiah for name one Colonel Premier International. Context countries want to supporting for feeling or about giving money reward bank account name in one corner by the basic amount. 6661 for discovery meaning is appointment international for that also need to be conference for basic Stockholm or ownership money reward for decorations proclamation existence my logo 666 international include also about reward money name in one corner in same time. Ellen Farm International on appointment ownership safe national money logo. Symbol money 666 international. Support for giving money reward to name one corner also about that. For status include a Stockholm Premier for the moment decorations with Ellen family ownership Stockholm self also and support international. Context that's all in one packet supporting for ensuring this momentum happening non-confusing situations. 6661 call scarf evening get contact for that for about primary basic need to be conferenced about country Indonesia as primary suspect for the responsible about your money to name one corner 22 trillion rupiah. They are very doing camouflage situations, improvement and investigations, context experience, telecommunications, contact supernatural with them already happened and already being approved by international countries. 6661 for discovery definitive on money for this moment situations pioneering case since 2008 already proved and definitive non-loving international non-internet hoax non-fake statement non-fake conference on internet global on money reward and also about the appointment include for that declaration proclamation existence in national money logo 666 Ellen Family Ownership International Stockholm Premier for about reward money name in one corner also include them. Context that can be one packet together for completing the appointment and also money reward. Declaration proclamations national money logo 666 international. Definitive appointment waiting by international since years before Reform 666 one discovery. About numerical people, about mark of the beast. But Alien Farm International won't claim their society as safe national money logo for their attribute ownership also, their confession ownership assets and also ordinary simulation with countries or peoples. Context from United States of America also about alien family, from Uni Europa also about alien family, from Arab Islam and Israel also, continents Islam, Arab and Israel also, and from Asia countries also and Africa also for the extension on about improvisation conference about alien farm international on money logo on appointment weight for about numbering of people going to be arrived on millennium by code human commanding Gosum grade code Jehovah code 666 code religions and about Indonesia also context say actually already been conversations include on time. Years before 2008, Alien Farm International made conversations with countries Europe and also America and Islam, Arab and Emirat, Israel. Context say on this moment calendar 6661 discount free definitive for the proof for the statement internet and rematch with the conversation or files evidence about alien found interview and conversations since years before 2008, years before reform 6661 for discovery. Context says 6661 for discovery, non-internet hoax, non-bluffing international, on money reward about the situation pioneering case. 22 trillion rupiah can be understand, can be approved, can be sure, non-hoax, non-fake, non-bluffing international for the nominal, and need to be conference for status premier responsible society about that, about giving money to name one corner to counter Indonesia government and police and military or their syndicate or about group terrorist international on this millennium already being catch, already being found counter Indonesia. Their method is supernatural or about their ethnic costume Jehua or Begu Ganjang there. Ethnic costume human commanding costume grave, code Dukun, code ethnic, code Jehua, code Begu Ganjang from country Indonesia. Context says 6661 for discovery need to be conference about that for sharing about giving money reward to name one connect. From where? From whom? 6661 for discovery meaning on total nominal reward money they are already being approved by international 22 trillion rupiah is possible is definitive non-bluffing. Context says 6661 for discovery meaning going to support also for next by international for about appointment and also filling the total nominal 22 trillion rupiah. But need to be conference first on this day about the country Indonesia government or experience telecommunication happening 6661 for discovery meaning ordinary life definitive for status suspect identity local neighborhood country Indonesia domestic local charters from country Indonesia peoples from country Indonesia. Context say this need to be conference for ensuring the responsible society about the international want to support giving money reward or filling a bank account name in one corner 22 trillion rupiah. Very this point on this moment day context say name corner very indications going to be this point by country Indonesia by the government by the police and also the military and people's domestic there. What about giving money reward to name in one corner and also about ordinary job name in one corner context say that include for the conference also need to make pay this point and non being responsible for about the money name in one corner. 6661 for discovery meaning on this moment calendar about that context say premier for the progress on this calendar. Experience telecommunications contact very supernatural definitive can be alibi can be proof for the conversations with international peoples from countries or alibi connections countries about internet ID 6661 for discovery. Experience ordinary telecommunications happening supernatural contact body supernatural telecommunication happening on day night and also morning and evening also afternoon also context say can be alibi by international peoples from domestic country Indonesia is premier suspect made bullying or sabotage ordinary job ordinary life name in one corner on night and afternoon on the morning also or being alibi or being proof by self-experience by people's international get connected with ordinary life 6661 for discovery meaning nominal reward for name in one corner and also about ordinary job name in one corner being sabotaged by suspect definitive goes to Indonesia countries Indonesia peoples as meaning military and also the government or people's syndicate social domestic from a country Indonesia definitive premier suspect identity to them. Context say this about name in one corner, about ordinary life name in one corner, about ordinary job name in one corner. Definitive being sabotage, being experienced bullying, supernatural and already approved by international experience self. Ordinary life name in one corner. Context say that need to be confronted. Very short premier situations on international on this day. What about the internet ID 6661 called scarf definitive basic about discovery numbering code people by name in one corner also definitive need to be proved for the sharing for the moment license or agreement international about 666 one called discovery name in one corner may claim discovery numbering code people with basic reasons about experience case supernatural ordinary life name in one corner self and also sense of activism social name in one corner made internet conference and pioneering existential case supernatural on social since 2008 until this year also 2021 and still keep going on to future. Very non-clear when going to be executed and also about giving money reward to name one corner 6661 for scarf remaining. That's all for this moment calendar. Thank you very much and definitive concentrate for about money reward to name one corner responsible primer and support also by international countries context say that's going to be happen but need to be sure also first beginning conference about country Indonesia as premier status suspect on this ordinary life name in one corner on reward money 22 rupiah from country Indonesia can be found for information or the updating conference next internet ID 6661 call framing also to internet global social media on this day such as also Google and then also Facebook and to YouTube also and Pinterest also and Twitter also with ID 666 ICDM or ID Professor in one corner and next ID that on relations with 666 ICDM and our many link friendship on internet global such as also blogspot and friendship link website another ID 6661 for scar framing and also our alien farm international can be contact also exclusive connection of them also for about internet ID 6661 for scar framing international police also and United Nations also and networking internet global 6661 for scar framing also. Thank you very much and see you again on my next internet. Declaration Proclamation Existence National Maya Logo 666 Namrico Bible Original International ownership by Ellen Fami. Definitive include also for about status Stockholm for reward money to name in one corner also in one packet and want to be sure by the basic also about the status suspect identity treatment from countries and also about Indonesia as domicile address name in one corner owner the 2666 in the world already claimed on this day 2021 and years before. See you again on my next internet. Shalom, Om Swantiasu and Boris Satya and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. See you again on my next internet.